Our first goal for this course is to design the front end of our application without writing any backend code at all. The reason behind this is to try and incrementally reach a minimum viable product, as you would in a real-life application. Each page, each component, each workflow can be validated with actual users as early as possible. That way, adjustments are much cheaper and we make ourselves more flexible to our users' need. Now, before we start to design all the pages of our application, I'd like us to use this module to prepare our UI toolbox. Most applications end up using a bunch of global components that they use a little bit everywhere. These are typically buttons, input fields, panels, icons, etc. In Vue.js, these components are usually prefixed with the word base to avoid conflicts with native HTML tags like button. It's even written in the official Vue.js style guide. Whilst these components usually come up as we implement our design, I've recently started to implement them proactively. That way, we create ourselves a little UI toolbox that makes it easier for us to stick to a consistent design. Kind of like Tailwind CSS makes our spacing more consistent by providing us with predefined margin and padding scales. However, that doesn't mean that we can or that we should foresee every global component we'll need in advance. Some of them will simply derive from refactoring some code later on. But we can prepare our most common UI components, and we'll be starting with panels in the next episodes.